How's it going there, YouTube? Low G-Man77. It is 3:20 Monday, October 29th, 2012. Hurricane Sandy coverage. It is currently 51 degrees with a west-northwest wind at 31 miles an hour. And I'm getting nailed by rain. Wow. Yeah, it's gotten a lot worse here since 2 hours ago, the last time I actually did an update. I've actually had a couple really good gusts that stripped a little bit of skirting off my trailer. Seen that tree move quite a bit, actually. I noticed, seemed like there's a little bit more concern from my neighbors over there about that river. He keeps going out and checking it, which means it's most likely raising up a little bit. But yeah, it's Dover Delaware, 3:20. Hurricane Sandy. Alrighty, folks. Take care. Be safe. Be smart. Oh, that rain is cold. Ah.